Guys, kung usapan sulit na kainan, alam naman natin na Food Club Manila is one of the options on the list. Kaya for my birthday celebration, dito ko talaga napiling pumunta. This is my third time na, and again, I want to share with you our experience here sa Food Club Manila, Ayala Malls Manila Bay Branch. Bukod sa maganda yung service, malaki yung place, yung mga sinuserve nilang pagkain talaga yung babalik-balikan mo dito, makakasiguro kang araw-araw fresh ang sinuserve nila dito. In short, dito yung tatawagin mong lifestyle buffet where you can enjoy 100 dishes from Filipino comfort food to international favorites. And like others, most of the time, uunahin yung mga seafood dishes, lalo na yung buttered garlic shrimp, salmon kinilaw, salmon salad, andyan din yung sushi and sashimi section. Lahat yan is talaga mga freshly made, plus panalo yung presentation, kaya hindi mo mapipigilang kumuha agad. Bukod sa seafood, madalas din ang prime rib or roast beef station ang next stop. Syempre, di pwedeng di dadaanan tong crunchy lechong kawali, oh my gosh. Syempre, buffet ito, kailangan sulit agad sa unang plate pa lang. Meron din steam pompano na all-time favorite ko talaga, kahit ata makadalawa kung ganito kalaki kaya kong ubusin. May tempura, shabu-shabu station, may Chinese dim sum, siomai, chicken feet, di rin papakabog ang western kitchen station like pasta, pizza, soups, Mediterranean and Mexican tacos and nachos bar. Here naman yung dessert station, may iba't ibang klase ng kakanin, fresh fruits, candies, chocolates, halo-halo, ice cream, at iba't ibang nagsasarapang tinapay. May salad station na kompleto ricados. Sa dami ng choices dito, talagang masasatisfy ang cravings mo, yung ikaw na lang talaga ang susuko. Of course, may iba't ibang flavors ng drinks, may soda, tea, beer, and coffee station din. Ito yung mga rates nila, promos, and all discounts. Post nyo na lang yung video para mas makita nyo. Honestly, kung foodie ka o gusto mo lang mag-celebrate with your friends or family, this is the perfect spot. Para ka nag-travel sa iba't ibang bansa pero nasa iisang restaurant ka lang. So, ayun lang. Bye!